So if you run TikTok ads, I want to show you an important tool that TikTok just added. This tool is going to help you get better results for your adverts. And this video is going to show you exactly how to use it. So I'm inside of my TikTok business manager or the ads manager. And if I come to tools here, we now have a keyword planner for TikTok ads. So TikTok has decided to do something like this, just like Google does, and you can find keywords and then use these keywords to create your ads. The goal is so that you can get better results and sell whatever you want to sell using TikTok ads. So if you click the keyword planner, this is the interface you are going to find, and you can discover new keyword. All right, and you can even analyze your data, and then you can create plan where you can select keywords, save them and use them in the future, and you can import keywords, all right, and search them. Like maybe you can find your own keywords, bring them into here and search them. What we are going to do is a very basic one. So we want to enter what our product is, and then we are going to select the location. Currently, this tool is only available for the United States market. So the location available now is just the United States. Of course, more locations are going to come, but we are going to work with the United States location for now. So let's say we want to sell an electric shaver. We can just come here and we can enter the product or the service that is related to our business. So let's try like something physical, like electric shaver. All right, you can see here, just click on discover, and we are going to give it a few seconds to just collect the information. So here you can see the total keywords for electric shaver. You can see the total search volume here between 10k to 25k. You can see the actual keyword. Here we have 3-in-1 electric shaver, men shaver trimmer, electric razor for men, electric foil shaver, best men, you free, Philips, blah 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 blah. You see that we have just 16 of them, but also you can see the average monthly searches. You can see the searches. The electric shaver has some of the best or the highest searches here, but you can see that men shaver is growing by the highest percentage in the last 3 months, and this one is actually also exploding by a lot of percent. So but you can also see the competition here. So the competition shows you how competitive ad placement is for the keywords based on the unique advertisers count bidding on the keyword. All right, so you can see that the volume is high, but you can also see that the competition is high. So you can see right here the year-on-year changes. So the year-on-year for this is minus 71. This one is more plus 14,000 or thereabouts. So you see the different keywords here, and you can basically just download them. All right, you can download the keywords, keep them somewhere for later and use them for later. So you can also regenerate, but let's try something completely different. So let's say we want to do something like maybe Facebook ads or digital marketing, Instagram ads, anything like that. You can come here, click on discover again, and we should find related searches around Facebook ads or our searches. So we have just 8 keywords here. You can see Facebook ads, Facebook advertising, commercial ads, bypass ads, Chinese ads, and all of them. So this doesn't really help us so much. You can see the different searches right here. So let's try something else. Let's say maybe TikTok ads, because TikTok is currently exploding. So let's search for TikTok ads, and then you can click on discover again. So we see what the volume is like. You can see TikTok ads, TikTok AI ads, TikTok promote assistance, promotional TikTok videos, and a whole lot of them. So this is currently a new tool, so you might not really get a lot of information here, but of course they are definitely going to add even more things. But you can also save these keywords and use them for later. So you can just select the keyword, come here, click on save the keywords, give the keywords a name, and then it can be saved to your keywords. So if you come here, you should be able to see the keywords that you saved right here, and you can use these keywords here to now create a new plan. So this is basically how you can use the new TikTok keyword planner. Use it to plan for your ads. You can even use it to create content, find content ideas. I hope this video was helpful. Please like the video, subscribe if this video helped you. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can ask TikTok.